Hey guys, welcome to Ally Edge. First off, I want to thank Aaron for the lathe. This is amazing. I've been waiting for one of these for a long time. I like the mini lathes with a benchtop lathe. And I was talking to Aaron. We were trying to figure out what brand this thing is. If you guys have any clue, please let us know. I'll do a quick video. That way you can see what it is. And I'll be doing not really a restoration, just a cleanup so that everything works on this, so I can actually use it. I mean, it works now, but you know, before I go and use it, I want to make sure and clean it up, oil it, get everything all lubed, make sure there's way oil on here and whatever. And then here's the numbers right here if you guys can help me out. I can't read the tag as far as the brand, but it's it looks like it's a 109-20630. This thing is amazing though. I mean, it's really cool. I mean, it's not really a toy. I mean, this is something that, you know, that'll actually get used in the shop. I'll be able to use it for small bushings, and it's got a little forehead chuck on it, which cracks me up. But it'll be nice for making pins, bearings, or, you know, bushings, all that kind of stuff. And I believe this is 1/4 inch here, which I think I'll have to order some of these for the cutter. But pretty cool. It's got a life center here, and this is like locked up in here. Oh no, it's not moving. This is locked up in here, so I'll have to put some I'll use some, you know, lube and whatever and get it cleaned up and get it working again. But all the parts on it look really good. I mean, you can tell it's been used, but not real hard, you know. And also, I thought this would have had a handle right here, but I guess not. I guess you just turn it by hand. I don't know. I don't want to turn it and break it right now. But this is a kind of a quick view of the chart. That way I can do some threads on, you know, bolts and whatever. And I like that it's got metal gears, not plastic like the new ones. And they're not metal, they're like pot metal, whatever. I do have a motor and stuff for it on another contraption that I have in some of the junk pile. So I'll get this hooked up so that I can plug it in for 110 and use it, you know, put it on and off switch and whatever. And then I have a stand that goes underneath this, and I got these really old antique legs that I might put under it. If not, I might just mount it right there on top of my bench. I'm not sure yet. I want it to be where it's up high where I can work with it, not, you know, down real low. But if you guys have any ideas about this mini benchtop lathe, please let me know. Please leave the comments down below. If you have any questions or whatever, feel free to ask those. Please subscribe to my channel. And I would love any information on this thing that you can find as far as brand, make, model, serial number. You know, if you use those numbers, that'd be great. If you could find me something to let me know what it is, what brand it is, or whatever, I'd really appreciate it. I'm gonna cut this video short. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Later.